Hey guys, Destiny Michelle here, and I am back to you with another video. Today's video is about a smoothie. Yes, I know it sounds weird, a smoothie. All my other videos are makeup tutorials, but today I'm gonna be making that because I made a fruit smoothie about maybe a week and a half ago on my Instagram, and I was raving about how good it turned out being because I had never made one before, and that was my first time doing it. And it actually ended up being very, very good. And you guys were saying, oh, make a video about that, show us how to do it, you know. So that's what I'm here to do today. I'm not gonna talk too much, I'm not gonna stretch this video out. If you wanna see how I got this smoothie, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna start off by peeling 2 bananas. I know it sounds weird, but the bananas are actually sweeter and they're better to me when they're more brown instead of more yellow. And right here in this next clip, you guys are going to see me start cutting the bananas in kind of medium pieces. They're not too big, but they're not too small. Next, I'm going to grab my strawberries and I'm going to rinse off maybe about 4 or 5. You can use however many you want, guys. It's totally up to you. It's your preference. But just make sure that you do rinse off all your fruit. Then I'm gonna grab my red apple and I'm gonna start cutting that into pieces. I literally just cut the halves in halves, guys. And right here, I'm removing the core so there won't be any hard pieces or seeds in the smoothie. Guys, I'm gonna get ready to blend everything up. I have my fruit here, I have my ice cubes, and I have my orange juice. It's just regular orange juice, 100%. And so let's start blending. So I'm just gonna take all my chopped up fruit and I'm gonna throw it in the my blender cup that I have. We have a magic bullet, so that's what I'm doing right here. Then I'm gonna put about 3 or 4 cubes of ice in here, guys, and I'm gonna smush it down to make sure the top goes on. I'm gonna shake that orange juice up, and then I'm gonna add it over into the cup. I kind of put a little bit too much orange juice, guys, but you can put however much you want. I personally don't like that much as much as I put. I fill it up maybe about halfway or less than half. My fruit smoothie. It's very, very good, as it was last time. So that's all that's really to it, guys. You can add whatever you want. You can add pineapples, grapes, mangoes, whatever type of fruit you like, house, whatever you have laying around. That's all there is to it, guys. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you like this video. Everything I use will be listed down in the description box, all the ingredients. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in my next one. Bye.